Githagathago kiria kigumeire kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka guku bururi-ini ni githiete na mbere na gwithegea thutha wa makamishna Consolata Nkatha, Margaret Mwachaya na Paul Kurgat gutiga wira kiroko kia umuthi.
The events related to the purported vote have greatly shaken our already feeble confidence in the chair. Given this severe deterioration of confidence in the commission chair, we find our position as commissioners under his leadership no longer tenable. Consequently, we regret to announce our resignation from the commission with immediately effect.
Makamishna aya magikumithio tongoria wa muikariri giti wa kamiti yo Wafula Chebukati ni kwaga murugamo murumu hari matua mari aratua undu umwe na kamiti no gutongorio ta kiothiki kia mundu kiumbe.
For far too long and way too many times, the commission chair has failed to be the steady and stable hand that steers the ship in difficult times and gives direction when needed. Instead, under his leadership, the commission boardroom has become a venue for peddling money, misinformation, grounds for brewing mistrust, and a space for scrambling for and chasing individual glory and credit.
Nimagwetete kuheo rutha rwa kiahinya kuri murugamiri munene wa kamiti Ezra Chiloba gukorwo ari kwa hinahi na gutakinyanirio ni makamishina othe amu ndwari undu wa gukinyanirio ro uguo.
The removal of a commission CL secretary is weighty matter and is one that should not have been introduced as a by the way. At the same time, the commission had a fixed date for its meeting, and the meeting of April 6th should have taken place on April 12th, when all 6 commissioners were in the country.
Makamishna aya ni mathiete na mbere na gukumithia murutire wa wira wa kamiti ino makiuga maundu maingi mareko niguo kuhunia mabatara ma andu kiumbe.
The institution has continued to be dysfunctional with arbitrary decision making, leaking of internal documents to serve personal goals, and pursuing of personal interests, all of which are against the laid down laws that govern the conduct of the commission leadership and staff.
Consolata Nkatha, Margaret Mwachaya na Paul Kurgat matigete wira mieri 5 thutha wa Commissioner Roselyn Akombe gutiga wira kiumia kimwe mbere ya gucokerwo kwa githurano kia president.
We want to thank you for availing yourself. Thank you very much.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.